Kit Sebastian Connor is a British actor. His films include Get Santa, Rocketman, and Little Joe. On television, he had a recurring role in the CBBC series Rocket's Island, a voice role in the BBC One and HBO series His Dark Materials, and starred in the Netflix series Heartstopper. Connor is from Purley. He attended the Hayes Primary School in Kenley and then Whitgift School. Connor made his on-screen debut at the age of 8 with minor appearances in Chickens on Sky One, the television film An Adventure in Space and Time, and the soap opera Casualty. In 2014, he starred as Tom Anderson in the holiday comedy Get Santa and a recurring role as Archie Beckles in the CBBC series Rocket's Island. Connor recurred as young Petya Rostov and Bob Sheehan in the miniseries War and Peace and SSGB respectively. He made his stage debut in Welcome Home, Captain Fox, at Donmar Warehouse. Connor had roles in the 2018 films The Mercy, The Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society, Slaughterhouse Rulers, as well as the BBC One television film Grandpa's Great Escape. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.